Exactly. Like with a, you know, a real sharp knife? Yeah. That's a good question. I don't know how the hell they do it. They do it somehow in some kind of heat. Somehow. Chamber. And the atom split. Right. And when the atom split, all I can tell you, when the atom split, boom. Right, Jeremy? Something like that. Boom.
No, you're really confused. You go back to
Step one. Oh my God, bullshit. Well, you can make an atom bomb out of almost any atom that's like in our air. You know that atoms are everywhere. And if you take one of them, you know, yeah, like an atom bomb, okay. And if you take them and you were to split them, okay, in a chamber like that, you know, a vacuum, like a vacuum, in outer space that happens to like explosions or like nuclear atomic explosions, okay? Kaboom. And it's not a pretty sight when that happens. And when you're able to harness a bomb and make a bomb like that, what you're doing is you're harnessing the power of the universe. Radioactive